This is a 2002 Audi A4 Quattro. And in the last video, we changed this thing from sounding like a lawnmower to this. We fixed the misfire and this thing's running like a dream, except for one thing.
The exhaust pipe is cooked. Look at that thing. Oh.
We have got all of our replacement parts, the pipe and this little bendy piece that's kind of freaky. So first, let's go ahead and pull the old exhaust pipe off and we're gonna get everything sorted out. Pulling the exhaust pipe off is gonna be extremely challenging, mainly because I do not have my jack. We've gotta unhook the clips, probably cut the exhaust pipe, and then pull it out. Now we're gonna weld these up. First, I'm gonna tack them all up. Let's see how this thing sounds without an exhaust before we put the catback exhaust that I made on. I mean, it is extremely loud, but it doesn't sound horrible. I'm hoping the added exhaust kind of amplifies the burble a little bit without taking away too much of the turbo noise. But I have a feeling that the muffler that's going back on is gonna kind of quiet it up quite a bit, but we will see. Now that I've got at least one start with the exhaust off, I'm gonna actually go ahead and put the new exhaust on and we'll see kind of what happens. I have not heard this thing yet, but I'm a little worried it's gonna be really loud. So let's do a first start reaction. Okay, that's actually not bad. And it's got really good pressure. I think it's really good actually. Let's go drive this thing. Surprisingly, this thing isn't as loud as I thought it was going to be. But let's get some clips of the exhaust. I have zero clue what happened. I think some of the exhaust pipe shifted. But come back next Friday where you're gonna see my engine swap golf cart get some crazy new upgrades. Let's just say the Audi is gonna get some exhaust touches that kind of open and close. Ooh. Make sure to tell everyone that you know about my videos and subscribe, please, please. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions because I'm open to taking suggestions in. Thank you.